Welcome to Invest Ed.
Warren Buffett say the ideal investment is one that you can hold on forever, growing your money for as long as you own it. However, Warren Buffett and other successful investors, there are times when selling stocks is the best path forward. So, the question is, when is the right time to sell a stock? Okay, so if you do your homework, no, you research the company, you research na maganda yung moat, naiintindihan mo yung company, maganda yung fundamentals, maganda yung management, and also mababa yung kanilang utang or kaya nilang masustain yung kanilang utang, and you bought it at the great price or in a margin of safety, tanong is, kailan natin siya ibebenta? Okay, so there's some of rules no, na kailangan natin sundin. So pag-usapan natin yung mga circumstances where you might want to sell a stock. So I learned this to Warren Buffett and every successful investors in the world, no? So I want to share it with you. And para magkaroon din kayo ng idea, no? Okay, first, when should you sell stock? Okay, when the fundamental of the company change, no? Kung nakikita mo, no, dito na pumapasok yung mga pag-a-analyze natin sa company, no? So nakikita na natin na yung fundamentals ng company, yung moat ng company, bumababa na yung ROIC or management, pangit na yung pamamalakad ng company. So in short, when the story change, all companies change over time. Sometimes for the better, sometimes for the worse. Sometimes when the story change, no, hindi nakaka-apekto din, no, kung may mga law na pinapasa na nakaka-apekto sa company or sa business, no? And if the company you now own is no longer the same company that you invested in, then you have to make a decision. If you no longer have faith in company, in its new directions, it's a good time to sell your investments. Second, you should sell a stock when the price of the company has reached its intrinsic value. We call that fair value. As a value investors, we try to purchase companies that have a discount to their true value. 20 to 50% discount to its real value. Real value is another words for intrinsic value. Done your homework, you can purchase stock at a discounted price of a company or stocks. Now, what happened though when the price of the companies that we invest in goes up to equal with the intrinsic value of the company? What should we do then? Okay, when this happened, it might be a good time to exit your position. Guys, no, take note, I say might, because if that company can continue to reinvest your capital of a high rate of return, for my example sa portfolio, kung nakita nyo yung investment portfolio ko, no, yung sa Eagle Cement ko, nasa 40% plus na yung kanyang gain, but hindi ko pa siya binebenta. Kasi nga, kasi maganda yung management, maganda yung binibigay na ROIC and ROE sa akin. So, I would rather hold on muna doon sa akin investment. But at the same time, I always tell myself na holding on to the company that's overvalued is a risk. So, it's a judgment situations, no? Number 3, and the final one, is when you have a better opportunity. Now, this is a judgment call, okay? Like most of this, while it's always ideal to have cash set aside for you. So when a great investment opportunity comes, it's perfectly okay to sell something you own in order to free up capital, even if the company hasn't fundamentally changed, even if the price hasn't reached intrinsic value. With that said, you do have to be careful if you find stocks that really gonna grow a lot faster than the one that you're already in. But here's the thing, guys, no, you have to always research. Do your homework first. Research the company. Make sure na you understand, no? You understand na may moat yung company. Maganda yung management and kaya nilang masustain yung kanilang utang, no? So always research the company bago ka mag-invest ng pera mong pinaghirapan. So alam na natin no, kung kailan tayo magbebenta ng stocks. Ay ngayon, in addition, when is the wrong time to sell a stocks naman? Price drops are the number one factors that lead many investors to sell. And by the way, if they're dumping stocks because of a price drop, they are not investors. In the first place, they are speculators. And their speculations didn't work. But investors have a different ball game. So listen to this. When the price of a stock starts to go down, many people become afraid and decided to cut their losses because they don't know what they own in the first place. But if you invested in a wonderful business, if you research, if you do your homework, alam mo na mayroong moat ang company, maganda yung management, and mababa lang yung kanilang utang or wala silang utang, and may potential to grow yung company, don't be scared, no? Because investors' mindsets are different from speculators. That's what I learned kay Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Manish Fabry, Peter Lynch, Guy Spear, and many more investors na successful sa kanilang investing career. No? So kung ano yung sinasabi nila at ano yung ginagawa nila, that's what I do. And sinasabi ko lang din sa inyo kung ano yung alam ko, ano makapagbigay ng value din sa inyo. Okay guys, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, no, please comment down below, leave a like, no, para marami pang investors na maabot itong video natin. At marami pa tayong matulungan na investors, no. And again, and as always, invest wisely and see you on the other side.